Imagine waking up beside a quiet mountain lake. The sun is just beginning to rise, painting the sky with soft orange and golden colors. The air is cool and fresh, and the world around you feels peaceful and calm. You slide open the door of your camper van, step outside with a warm cup of coffee in your hands, and look around. There are no crowded hotels, no noisy traffic, and no strict travel schedules. Just you, the road, and endless freedom.
Now imagine living that lifestyle in a camper van that is incredibly compact, smartly designed, and surprisingly comfortable. Today, we're taking a close look at something truly fascinating, the Hymer Exsis. Many travelers consider this unique vehicle to be one of the smallest fiberglass campervans built on the legendary Fiat Ducato platform. But the big question is simple. Can a camper this small really offer the comfort, practicality, and travel freedom people expect from a motorhome? Let's explore this clever little camper together and see what makes the Hymer Exsis so special.
At first glance, the Hymer Exsis looks modern, sleek, and well-built. Even though it's compact, the design feels refined and carefully crafted. Built on the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis, this camper benefits from one of the most reliable and popular platforms in the European campervan world. That means stable driving, smooth handling, and excellent maneuverability on the road. This becomes especially important when you're exploring narrow countryside roads, small historic towns, or scenic coastal routes where larger motorhomes might struggle. One of the most interesting aspects of this camper is its fiberglass construction. Instead of traditional metal body panels, Hymer uses lightweight fiberglass materials to create the outer shell. This brings several advantages. Fiberglass is more resistant to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for long-term travel in different climates. It also provides improved insulation, helping the interior stay cooler during hot summer days and warmer during colder nights. And because the material is lightweight, it helps reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, which can improve fuel efficiency and driving comfort.
Looking around the exterior, you'll notice smooth lines and a clean aerodynamic shape. The body flows naturally from the driver's cabin toward the rear of the camper, giving it a modern and balanced look. Large windows along the sides allow natural light to enter the interior, while also offering beautiful views of your surroundings. Imagine parking near a forest, a beach, or a mountain overlook and enjoying those views directly from inside your camper. Because the Hymer Exsis is smaller than most traditional motorhomes, it also becomes much easier to drive and park. Tight parking areas, narrow village streets, and hidden travel spots suddenly become accessible. Instead of worrying about where you can fit a large RV, this compact camper encourages spontaneous exploration and freedom. Now let's step inside the Hymer Exsis and see how the interior space is used. The moment you enter, you may be surprised by how bright and welcoming the cabin feels. Even though this camper is small, the layout is carefully designed to make the interior feel open and comfortable. Light wood finishes combined with soft upholstery and modern lighting to create a cozy and relaxing environment. Instead of feeling cramped, the interior feels like a tiny, well-organized living space on wheels. Directly behind the driver's cabin, you'll usually find the main living and dining area. This section is designed for relaxing, eating, or simply enjoying time inside the camper after a long day of travel. The seats are comfortable and supportive, making them ideal for long driving journeys or quiet evenings parked in beautiful locations. One clever design feature is the use of swivel front seats. The driver and passenger seats can rotate around to face the living area, instantly expanding the seating space. This creates a small lounge-like environment where multiple people can sit together comfortably. A compact dining table sits between the seats, providing a convenient place for meals, coffee, or planning the next destination on your travel route. Even though the camper is small, the seating arrangement still allows several people to sit together comfortably. This smart design makes the interior feel far more practical than you might expect from a vehicle of this size. Moving further inside, we reach the kitchen area.
In a camper this compact, the kitchen needs to be efficient and space-saving, and Hymer has done an excellent job making sure everything feels practical. The kitchen usually includes a 2-burner gas stove, a compact sink, and a small refrigerator. These essentials allow travelers to prepare simple meals while living on the road. The countertop space is limited but still functional enough for basic cooking tasks. Above the kitchen area, overhead cabinets provide storage for dishes, cups, and food supplies. Below the counter, drawers and compartments help keep cooking tools organized and easy to access.
This kitchen may not be huge, but it's designed perfectly for camper life. Imagine stopping at a scenic location after a long drive, cooking a warm meal inside your camper, and enjoying it while watching the sunset through the window. That's the simple pleasure that makes camper travel so appealing. Now, let's move toward the sleeping area, which is one of the most important parts of any camper van. In the Hymer Exsis, the sleeping space is designed with comfort and efficiency in mind. Depending on the specific layout, the camper may include a rear bed setup or a convertible sleeping area created from the seating space. The bed is typically designed to accommodate 2 adults comfortably. Soft cushions and supportive mattresses help ensure a good night's sleep after a long day of exploring new destinations. Above the sleeping area, overhead cabinets provide storage space for clothing, blankets, and personal items. Small reading lights create a warm and relaxing atmosphere at night, perfect for winding down with a book or simply relaxing before sleep.
One impressive feature of the Hymer Exsis is that it often includes a compact bathroom, something many small campervans do not offer. Even though space is limited, Hymer manages to include a small but practical bathroom area inside the camper. Typically, this space includes a compact toilet, a small sink, and a basic shower setup. The design is simple and efficient, but it adds an important level of convenience and privacy for travelers. Having a private bathroom can make long road trips much more comfortable, especially when camping in remote locations far from public facilities. Another important aspect of the Hymer Exsis is its clever use of storage space. When living or traveling in a compact camper, storage becomes extremely important. Hymer addresses this challenge by including multiple storage compartments throughout the interior. Overhead cabinets run along the upper sections of the walls, providing space for clothes, kitchen supplies, and travel gear. Underseat compartments offer additional hidden storage areas for larger items. At the rear of the camper, there may also be extra cargo space suitable for outdoor equipment, such as folding chairs, small bicycles, or camping gear.
Despite its compact size, the Hymer Exsis offers enough storage to support extended travel adventures. Everything has its place, helping keep the interior organized and comfortable during long trips. When it comes to driving, the Hymer Exsis benefits greatly from being built on the Fiat Ducato platform. This chassis is widely used throughout the campervan industry and is known for its reliability and smooth driving performance. The steering feels light and responsive, and the driving position offers excellent visibility of the road ahead. Compared to larger motorhomes, the Hymer Exsis feels much easier to control and maneuver. This allows travelers to confidently explore narrow roads, coastal highways, mountain routes, and small villages where larger RVs might struggle. Driving this camper feels closer to driving a regular van rather than a large motorhome, which makes it a great choice for people who want adventure without the stress of handling a huge vehicle.